All right, picture this. In 2024, the central west of Brazil, places like Goiás and Mato Grosso, got some serious rain that totally changed the game for farmers there. See, before this, crops like corn and soybeans were kind of struggling because of heat and not enough water. But between April 1st and 21st, it rained just enough to soak the soil back up, giving those plants a real boost. Imagine a thirsty plant finally getting a big gulp of water. Total relief. Especially the second crop of corn, which totally thrives when soil stays moist. And soybeans, gearing up to fill their grains, got the hydration they desperately needed. Even cotton got in on the action, growing better thanks to the sweet April rains. Now, across Brazil, not everywhere was this smooth sailing. The southeast started out kinda dry, but rains finally showed up mid-April, helping places like São Paulo catch up. Down south, cooler temps and good rains kept beans and corn happy, while the north got a bit too much rain, slowing harvest trucks on muddy roads. Meanwhile, the northeast faced a roller coaster of dry spells and small rain breaks. Definitely not easy for farmers there. So, here's where Farmonaut steps in like a farming superhero. Using satellites up in space and super smart AI, Farmonaut lets farmers track soil moisture, crop health, and rainfall in real time, straight from their phones or laptops. It's like having a weather wizard and plant doctor all in one. With that info, farmers can water just the right amount, avoid wasting resources, and even get early warnings if drought or floods might mess with their crops. Plus, Farmonaut helps farmers track their carbon footprint and ensure their produce's origin with blockchain. Because hey, transparency is king now. Looking ahead, keeping an eye on these changing weather patterns with tools like Farmonaut helps farmers stay prepared and grow strong crops no matter the climate drama. So thanks to smart tech and a little help from Mother Nature's showers, agriculture in Brazil's Central West is bouncing back, feeding more people and doing it sustainably. And yep, that's definitely on fire now.